Yeah.
And I like that you use the word follow-up, not necessarily fixing, because sometimes there's not a fix, but it's that fact of being heard. That's what I understood.
Yeah, and I think to connect the ideas around defining what the something is, and the start work authority, I think it's really important to have these conversations about what are some of these things. So we're seeing organizations that do in their pre-start actually talking about, stop the job triggers and saying, okay, so throughout this work, we think it's going to go like this. What are the things that if they happen, we will be, replanning or readjusting or going to plan B or going to plan C. And, if the team comes up with 2 or 3 things, like if there's a person here, we're not expecting anyone to be here and that no one should be here. So if anyone sees a person in this area, we need to safely sort of adjust what we're doing. And having those conversations actually then creates that psychological safety for people to go, oh, actually, we've talked about all of these different reasons that we'd call something out today. And even if X, Y, Z happens that we didn't talk about, the person will still feel more okay to go, actually, I've got to, we've got to work this out together. So I think being very careful of these really point in time activities like start work, end work, see something, and trying to have a more continuous risk conversation throughout the work.